What's going on, y'all? Alright, today we got a unboxing of this is what I ordered right here. But these boys sent spider lights. I don't know if it's, I don't know. That was that a Connie? I don't know. Check these out right quick. Cause when I already, y'all can see I already opened the box, but so I guess it's like a sub brand or something. Well, model, I guess. You go down and get these out the plastic so y'all can see the comparison. Alright, so that's how they look outside the plastic compared to the other one. Got my new headlights came in too. Those probably, damn, my hand ash. But yeah, those probably be another video. Might go on throw these tail lights in. It's real simple. You just take these Phillips head screws out, pull this one out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you right quick. Try to get this camera set up. All right, so with these, you brighten up a little bit more. Cause we got some new ones right here. Get the tail off right here. Right on this one, your reverse light to the bottom. Take this bulb out and use this plug. Should go in, fit tight just like that. There we go. Huh? Yeah, you can sit right in the back of the truck. All right. No. Still recording. And see what they give you with it is just to close up the socket so you can pull this bulb and line this cap up. And twist it on so nothing won't get into it. Line it up. Push it in. go and tighten it down. That's it. There we go. Yeah, this will work, but I gotta switch that one. Yeah. Now hit the signal light. Yeah. So I just gotta switch that. Yeah, switch the connector around. Yeah. Yeah. You can switch it off.